I gotta throw out my back real quick. Don't go down anymore. Okay. Take it out. What time is it?
It is 11:13.
About a quarter of it.
Can't find it.
It's in there, buddy. The orange one and black one.
Black? This?
Yes, that one. Oh dear. Oh, yes.
Good aim.
Okay.
Boy,
The last one of these I had, it was leaking in the weld or something. They told me that it was leaking.
Anna.
This is the fun part.
Papa, I'm talking about this too.
Yeah. This snowmobile. Like that. Wonderful. I don't remember how it goes. The narrow side, the wide side? Not really. We'll try that.
So, are you a mechanic?
Yes. Not an automotive mechanic, but I am a mechanic.
Because you work like a mechanic.
Do I?
Yeah.
That's good.
Because you are a mechanic. You work like a mechanic because you are a mechanic.
It's funny how that works.
Yeah. It is.
Okay, what does that metal string do?
This?
Yeah.
The chain?
Yeah.
It's there's one on the other side, and it's just going over the top of the transmission, so it it's harder for it to just fall off because we wouldn't want that.
But if it falls on you, you would die.
Probably not, but it wouldn't feel very good. I can pick it up, so I'd probably just attempt to catch it and slowly drop it onto the floor.
That's impossible. That's impossible. Isn't it? I got new Crocs.
I don't know if I remember which direction this goes. I never do. No. Goes up here. Yeah. And then
Coop, that thing you're turning, does that lower it?
it raises the back side of the transmission. So I can get this part where it needs to go. Oh, hello.
What did you say hello to?
Oh, it was just pinching my hand. Oh, lovely.
What?
It's lovely.
What's lovely?
It,
Broke?
no, it's
What?
cooperating.
Anna?
You think your shoes are getting dirty? You should see how my shoes feel. They're like falling apart here. All I had to do there was spin the engine over a little bit so that I could maybe put this bolt on. Looks like maybe I got it started. But of course I might have this lined up wrong. And I might have to take it back out. So when I start actually stand up. Wonderful. Now if anything falls, it can go an extra 3 feet before hitting the ground.
Open the saw like this, and then you just pull it down and then grab the cheese stick.
Alright, I'll have to include that in the video.
What?
I'll have to include that in the video.
Sure, who does it?
Yeah, I know. You don't want to just leave it on the table, making it real gross.
I recall.
Yeah.
Come behind you if you do.
What is that? She says maybe, and after she's...
Buddy, we're not doing that right now.
Why don't you up here?
Sweet.
It's barely cute.
Alright, no, that one's stripped out. That's fine.
Actually, kind of small.
And we're back.
Just doing some really furling stuff here. Putting the drive shaft back in. Not to be confused with the band drive shaft from the TV show.
I was just thinking that.
I don't know what I'm going to do if it leaks again. Probably cry. Told my buddy, I'm like, I'm going to take it on a long drive off a really short gear.
Don't do that.
Or it probably just, would it actually probably just, it still leaks. Oh god.